Well, my first project is my dash cam mount came off, and the sticker one is on the window, and this is the other one that hooks up to the camera. Now I had this stick that actually right pressure is with one of my gloves I use on my wheelchair, goes in there and it puts the proper pressure. If I take this off, it's going to drop. So I want to get a fit that is going to work when I put the adhesive on. I have gloves I'm going to use. The adhesive is right here. It does say to shake it real good, okay, and it takes about 15 minutes for it to totally become useful, then 7 days for it to totally bond. So it'll be next week sometime. All right, but the idea is that it can withstand the heat inside a vehicle when it's in the sun and the windows are rolled up. That's where I've had a problem and my camera just falls to the ground. I've tried Gorilla Glue, Elmer's glue, contact cement, liquid nails. I've tried everything and it doesn't work. So I'm going to try this to see if it actually works. So I don't know about having the camera on where I'm doing this because I'll have those gloves on, but I'll show you afterwards. What I will do is take this down, okay, and there it goes to the ground. All right, and what I'm going to do, this is hollow on the inside. So I'm going to take the brush and I'm going to go around the end and I'm going to wait a while. I'm probably going to count to like 30 and it should become kind of sticky. I'm not going to take my finger to find out. And then I'm going to put it up there. Be sure if you're doing the same job I'm doing, make sure that where the ball goes in on these things is pointed in the direction you want. If you put it upside down, you're not going to be able to turn around. So make sure you do a test where it's going to go and that it's going to be in the right spot. All right, so let me get to work here and I'll bring you back when it's in place and show you it's actually in spot. Okay, I have a huge plastic bag on my lap in the vehicle because I don't want to get this all over the vehicle. I have shaken the bottle quite a bit. I'm going to put this down and try to actually show you this. Let me get it in the spot and I'll bring it right back. All right, it is tight getting off the lid. All right, and there's a lot on the brush. So I'm wiping on the inside, not on the outside, because I don't want it to stick to the lid. And I'm coming over and lightly, I'm going to have to grab that or hold that. Put it on there. I am so glad I have the bag on my lap because it would be all over the place right now. All right, so I'm putting a coating on this all the way around using both sides of the brush because it's on both sides. That's why there's two sides of the brush. Moving it over so you can see. Put a nice liberal coat all over it. It does stink. Ooh, there's a smell to it. Okay, I'm wiping up on the edges and bringing it on the inside. So now I'm putting a brush in and I'm sealing this down as tight as I can and setting it down. Well, it's in place. I have the stick in place. All right, and a glove that's in my cup holder and it's holding it up there. So I am going to leave it alone for a while. The winters are down, okay, and I'm probably going to leave it in here for a couple hours, let it cure. It's only 17 minutes, but I don't want to put anything on it. I do have my thing down where it's supposed to be. I almost put it upside down. So be sure you check that and make sure it's in the right position before you put it on there. All right, so bring it back when everything's installed and make sure it actually stays up there now. Well, 24 hours later, I have it all hooked up with the power going up and around. It's on there really sturdy. I'm giving it a little tug. I don't want to put all my weight on it, but it's doing very well. All right, so that's 24 hours later. So 7 days is the full cure. That looks like it's really hard right now. So maybe it says it's thicker projects, bigger projects to 7 days, maybe less as a smaller project such as this. Well, everybody, it's been a week now and it's up and running. You can see the video right there of my garage door and the light flashing. Many times taking out the chip and many times adjusting this and doing things. It still has not fell down and it's fully cured. So I have many more applications I'm going to use that glue on. So make sure you hit the subscribe button above to not miss a video. Almost at 1,400 videos on my channel, completely family friendly. I learn, do, and have fun. Take care. Bye.